If we fucking, she paying a fee. And please don't give me no bush weed. You know must split them longer than loose leaf. Grab a well out and I kick like Bruce Lee. After she smoke, then she give me her coochie. Come with them girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me girl. Pon the phone, just quick believe me girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me girl. Link pon the tool and so friends to the face, I hear the voice and you don't know say a kogency. But the kogency reacts channel. And today we have N15, D-Rose, When Will It Stop? Now, the 2 D-Rose song we do so far, you know, the Cold Room and then the one with Shambo. And the 2 songs them I will do, D-Rose don't disappoint, dog. And I told you guys, fam, it was just a matter of time before I do more. And by a matter of time, I literally mean like one day. So yo, today we have When Will It Stop? Let's hope it doesn't disappoint. But I saw that Wax uploaded this and in the title he said banger. I didn't watch the video, but in the title he said banger. So hopefully it's actual banger for me. And I'm saying now we have another one to do still. Wait, name as soon after this it will get done, definitely. But yo, hit that like or dislike button, jump in the comments, can reply to all the comments, and let's get this shit cracking, man. Let's leave a like on the video first before we do that. And now let's get shit cracking. Alright. Free the guys.
Free us. Free them. Free LA. Free them. Free sus. Free them up. You know how we stay. Come on. 5 boy shit. 5 way.
5 way. Aye.
Free Mad Max, man. Fucking up.
Free Mad Max. Aye.
My 18th birthday, I was in Chantel's crib with a 9 of each. No time for birthday sex, I gotta lock this like while she chop this beat. Done told her the trap getting vicious, I don't know about fucking sleep. Trap boy from the 5, that's me. I just landed from Absy, got me flipping a dancing week. Big bro said it's like I don't learn, but the bread I for earn. Come like I work for the job, send other way I get the job seekers work.
Oh man saying he's fresh home and had to go back to trapping like straight off. And then on his 18th birthday, man was in this girl's yard, bagging up and whipping up. Fam, this is way too much for the start of the song, bro. You know what I'm saying? We just start the song. Let's go again, though.
My 18th birthday, I was in Chantel's crib with a 9 of each. No time for birthday sex, I gotta lock this like while she chop this beat. Done told her the trap getting vicious, I don't know about fucking sleep. Trap boy from the 5, that's me. I just landed from Absy, got me flipping a dancing week. Big bro said it's like I don't learn, but the bread I for earn. Come like I work for the job, send other way I get the job seekers work. You can ask around town about roles, I'm still in the traps, knees deep in work. But if we're talking,
man say give the job seekers work, and it's not those type of jobs, bro. But you know, man, you must know, man. You have to know, bro.
I don't learn, but the bread I for earn. Come like I work for the job, send other way I get the job seekers work. You can ask around town about roles, I'm still in the traps, knees deep in work. But if we're talking about dirts, bro spun that wheel while I grip my steel and we nearly turned someone earth. Have we praying that we don't get pinched, cause we would've been gone for like 30 years. Had to laugh that off with bro, but let me just shh about that one there. Like I swear I can't take these nerds. Some London trappers try turn on in my spot, you fucking sham. You see that makes my head get up, now I'm drawn out of my character. Had to deal with that one first. All I can say is hashtag bullets burn and lesson learned. Told my young boy I give him a 2 and a shoe, but he gotta do the crib up first.
Bro, basically the man told you like, yeah, man tried to trap in my spot, bro. And I'm gonna let you know how I handled it without letting you know how I handled it. When he said grr, but listen, bro, listen. He said what? Shells, firm, fire, and now lesson learned. Like, yeah, bro, I bet that man they trapping in his spot no more, fam. Fucking hell, bro. The way all this guy describes like his life, bro, is mad.
Still, we nearly turned someone earth. And we praying that we don't get pinched, cause we would've been gone for like 30 years. Had to laugh that off with bro, but let me just shh about that one there. Like I swear I can't take these nerds. Some London trappers try turn on in my spot, you fucking sham. You see that makes my head get up, now I'm drawn out of my character. Had to deal with that one first. All I can say is
bro, man said he's knee deep in the trap and at the video shoot having to call the man and be like, yo, you know what I'm saying? Lisa says she want to, you know, go give her the, you know. I'm shooting a video right now, bro. I swear that's what they were saying on the phone. I'm joking, I don't know, but like imagine that though, dog. That's mad.
Now I'm drawn out of my character. Had to deal with that one first. All I can say is hashtag bullets burn and lesson learned. Told my young boy I give him a 2 and a shoe, but he gotta do the crib up first. Bad one says I'm tapped, says she don't know who I think I am. Come like they don't understand, shit change when I feel the Pyrex with grams. Now shit's all mad, Riri coming in duffel bags. Bro, ask me when will it stop, I don't know when I hit like 500 racks. Bad one says I'm tapped, says she don't know who I think I am. Come like they don't
he's dancing, he's lit, bro. Even this beat, fam. And this is the hook. Let me start it over again, bro.
I give him a 2 and a shoe, but he gotta do the crib up first. Bad one says I'm tapped, says she don't know who I think I am. Come like they don't understand, shit change when I feel the Pyrex with grams. Now shit's all mad, Riri coming in duffel bags. Bro, ask me when will it stop, I don't know when I hit like 500 racks. Bad one says I'm tapped, says she don't know who I think I am. Come like they don't understand, shit change when I feel the Pyrex with grams. Now shit's all mad, Riri coming in duffel bags. Bro, ask me when will it stop, I don't know when I hit like 500 grams. 19, I was in Lilo's crib with the O and a Veach in the kitchen. Yeah, prior the game was vicious, now more than the trap game wicked. All the spots long distance, and the kitties them love my whipping. I was in doing up no deals and I still took everyone's business. Are you fucking kidding? Setting up shop.
Man, what? So you're vexed when the London trappers take your spot, but you take everyone else's spot? Nah, D-Rose, man, you can't be trapping like that, bro. You can't be greedy like that, man.
Game wicked. All the spots long distance, and the kitties them love my whipping. I was in doing up no deals and I still took everyone's business. Are you fucking kidding? Setting up shop in my spots, I'll make you on tops and have your juice spilling.
You see what I mean, bro? So why are you setting up shop in their spot then, bro? Nah, fam, you can't do that.
Are you fucking kidding? Setting up shop in my spots, I'll make you on tops and have your juice spilling. I'll hand my rug like that mop and a sock full of corn, then tell him start filling. Then get round there, start flinging. My young boy's trained to go with a pole, so I know he ain't hitting civilians. So I slide in the mash with ease and tell him don't come out to the old thing finish. And in God's name we pray that you get there safe and kill them idiots. Don't draw me up.
In God's name, we pray that you kill these idiots, bro. In God's name, bro. In God's name, bro. Well, we don't know, say, people been killing people in the name of religion since the start of religion. But hearing that in jail, bro, in God's name, we hope you get over there and kill him. It just sounds mad, fam.
Go with a pole, so I know he ain't hitting civilians. So I slide in the mash with ease and tell him don't come out to the old thing finish. And in God's name we pray that you get there safe and kill them idiots. Don't draw me out, I'll draw it out and that's good riddance. Put one in your head, now you're spinach. Wait, hold up, let me just bill it. Bad one says I'm tapped, says she don't know who I think I am. Come don't understand, shit change when I feel the Pyrex with grams. Now shit's all mad, Riri coming in
100 bags.
Bro, ask me when will it stop, I don't know when I hit like
500 racks.
Bad one says I'm tapped, says she don't know who I think I am. Come like they don't understand, shit change when I feel the Pyrex with grams. Now shit's all mad, Riri coming in duffel bags. Bro, ask me when will it stop, I don't know when I hit like 500 racks.
Aye, man said that's cap.
Bro, ask me when will it stop, I don't know when I hit like 500 racks.
That's cap. He ain't gonna stop. Even though he raps, he ain't leaving a trap. He ain't gonna trap. He's still gonna trap. I ain't gonna trap. We ain't gonna trap. Aye. Bro, that's mad. That's kind of cool still, bro. Like, I can see why the 1-5 man them, you know what I'm saying, we so happily rep 1-5, bro. Because, you know, you grew up all your life doing John Cena, you can't see me. And then you join a gang, and you're like, you still can't see me, bro. You can't see me on the roads. You can't see me on the jails, bro. You can't see me. You understand? Boy, you see, I'm comparing the gang life to wrestling, fam. That's how you know, bro. It's just entertainment for me, bro. Man is telling me how man had to let the trappers from London know to leave his spot, and I'm here laughing about John Cena, fam. You understand? It's just two different mindsets, bro. But yo, this was sick still. BK, mad beat, D-Rose, mad storytelling, mad video. Yeah, man, bro. Big Rose, damn fucking right, Big Rose, bro. The storytelling that this guy has, fam, and then his hooks. Like, I don't know how this guy does it, fam. It's weird. But I like it, though. I like when people make you have a question how them do that, because it's so good. It's like, how? It's like everybody can, you know, write bars, make a flow, you know what I'm saying, put it on a beat, but like it's something different, dog, where you can't explain, man. I feel like it coming from the heart as well, bro. Like the things he might describe, if he's making it up, he's doing a very good job at making it up. But yo, let me know what you think about this in the comments, man. This was mad, fam. Hit that like or dislike button. Let me know what other D-Rose song you want me to react to. He only has what, 3 songs or 4 songs? And I think it's one left we have to react to. Drills and stuff. I will go into react to drills and stuff. Probably not today, but soon. So yo, let me know what you want me to react to next. Kogency on the Kogency Reacts channel. Hit that like or dislike button. Jump in the comments. And I'm out this motherfucker, man. Peace. Yeah. Cause with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round 2, round 3, yeah, girl. Yeah, I love you, yeah, need, yeah, girl.